Alright, today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to add an image from a folder and get it to display on a web page. So I've got my Explorer window here and I have the logo for this channel, and we are actually just going to load up a browser, which you can see in the background here, which has imgur.com/upload. So this is just a site where you can kind of add images. I think it's for free. I'm not sure. I haven't read their terms of service, but you can kind of just add unlimited images there and they will host them for you and give you a URL. Now, we just want to grab our PNG or image file or whatever it is you want to upload, and we're just going to drag it onto this web page here, and then we will hide this Explorer, and you can see here how it has actually uploaded the image. If you like to post it to Imgur, you can obviously do all that stuff, but otherwise you can right click the image anywhere here, or you can press copy link, and you'll actually then want to copy image address, because that is where the image is hosted on Imgur or Imgur or whatever you like to call it. And now we will just switch over to our codepen, where we will then add some HTML to link the image. So we just need to add an image tag, so img, and then equals, actually image, I've forgotten how to do an image tag, src equals, and then brackets, and then we're going to paste in with Control V or right click paste, and then close the tag. And that is how you add an image from a folder and upload to Imgur and then link it in HTML. So then you can copy this tag wherever you like if you've got a HTML enabled site. Obviously it's going to be different if you're using a hosting program like WordPress or something similar, but this is how you kind of manually do it. So yes, that is the quick video for the day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.